Welcome students, good morning. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I am your computer teacher and this is my new video class 5th. And today's chapter is chapter 3, start menu and control panel. And today's topic is I have discussed that control panel and opening the control panel, that is given on page number 25, and purpose of different categories of control panel, that is given on page number 26. So we start the control panel. The control panel is an important part of the Windows operating system. It is a collection of several small applications called applets that allow us to control the settings of the various software and hardware parts of the computer. What is that? This is a very important part of the Windows operating system. It is a collection of several small in this various small functions, various small applications are getting together that allow us to control the settings of the various software and hardware parts of the computer. Through the control panel we can manage, we can manipulate, we can manage the small applications and various hardware part and various software parts of the computer. Now opening the control panel, we can open the control panel program by following these steps. Click on the start button. Second, click on the control panel in the right pane. The control panel program will open in the category view. Do you know, students, the control panel can be displayed in 3 views. One is a category view shown in the above picture, large icons view and small icons view. To change the view, click on the view by arrow and select the desired view from the drop down list. I will show you how we can open the control panel. So we have to click on that start button, and in that start, in the right pane there is a control panel option. This is the control panel option. You have to click on that control panel and then control panel came. This is the control panel options. That is which type of a view is this? This is a large icon view. There are 3 types of a view. One is a category view, that is given on your book. That is given on your book. This is a category view. So this is same like that. This is a category view. When I click on that view by category, this is shown in category view. One view is that large icons view. Click here. That is a large icon view. That is a large icon view. And one is a small icon view. Click. That's a small icon view. That is a small icon view. Okay, so I have click on the category view. That is a category view. Here various categories are given there. In this various categories are given there, through which control panel we can manage all that software part and all the hardware parts of the computer. Now purpose of different categories. The control panel window shows 8 categories. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 8 categories. Each category represents a group of applets that help us to work with a particular aspect of the Windows settings. We can click on any category's name to open it and see the different applets it contains. That 8 categories are there, and every category has a group of small applications to help us work with a particular aspect of the Windows settings. If you want to change any software change you want or any hardware change you want, then you have to click on the selected category, which first category is system and security. Applets in this categories allow you to change the data security and system related settings for your computer. In the system and security, applets helps you to change the system relating settings for your computer. Users, accounts and family safety. This category contains settings that allow you to create and manage users account from various users using the computer. Through this category you can manage the settings of the different users account, network and internet. Setting in this category help you to create a network or internet connection through this category we can check our internet connection, we can check our network settings, which type of network setting is in my computer, which type of internet connection is enable or disable. So through this category we can check all that things. Appearance and personalization, it contains the settings to allow you to personalize the appearance of desktop and other Windows elements such as the taskbar, dialog boxes, screensaver and so on. These categories help you to show the appearance of desktop, which type of desktop you want to display. So which type of desktop is displayed, which type of screensaver, which type of color combination is displayed. Through this we can use the appearance and personalization settings. Hardware and sound, the setting in this category allow you to change the sound settings and settings of the keyboard and the mouse and other hardware parts of the computer. Through hardware and software settings, through hardware and sound setting, we can change the setting of the sound volume, which type of volume when we play any music, any video, then what is the volume level, lower level or higher level, we can set that. And we can also set that the settings of the keyboard, setting of the mouse and setting of the other hardware like printer, scanner. If we want to, then we can change through the hardware and sound setting. Clock, language and region, clicking on this category allow you to change the date, time related settings. Through clock, language and region we can change the language, Hindi, English or any language, Persian language, Japanese language, Chinese language, which language you want, then you can select. And through this category you also change the date and time related settings. Programs, clicking on this category allow you to uninstall or remove programs from your computer. In this program, if you want to uninstall any program first and remove any program, then you can choose from this category. Ease of access, it contains the settings that make the computer easier and more comfortable to use for people with special needs. Ease of access, in this settings that make computer easier and more comfortable to use for people with special needs, through which we can, the special need peoples can use computers very easily. One by one I will show you. System and security, if you click, then various options came. One by one I will tell you. Then when you click on the network and settings, then this option came. When you click on the hardware and software, then with this type of devices and printers, autoplay, different categories are shown. If I click on programs, then programs and features, if you want to uninstall a program, then you have to click on that uninstall a program. Different options are shown here. Users accounts and family safety, this is that users accounts and family safety. Appearance and personalization, if you want to change the theme, change the desktop background, I will tell you in this chapter later how you can change the desktop background. And clock and language, if I set the date, time, changing the time zone, region and languages. Ease of access, speech recognition, if anyone is not able to listen properly, then they uses a speech recognition, set up a microphone. This is a control panel category view. Okay students, that is all today's video. If you have any problem, then you can message me or ask me. And all of you also, if you have a system, then you can open your system and check all that control panels and different categories of a control panel. This is a control panel, and opening the control panel, I think all of you know, click on the start button and click on the control panel in the right pane. The control panel program will open in category view. If you want to change any view like category view, large icon view, a small icon view, then here is a category view by category. This is a category view. If you want to click, then you click large icon view. If you want to click on a small icon, then you have to click on a small icon view. Okay, but this is a category and there is a 8 type of categories. Each category has a different types of system settings. Through this we can manage our hardware parts as well as the software part of a computer. Each category has a different types of role to manage to the computer system. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.